Hi friends, how are you doing today? I'm Ninja Whale. So as you can see, I moved apartments, so that's what I've been busy with. I also had to go without Wi-Fi for a week, so I couldn't research for a history video. But something that I could do without Wi-Fi is my roommate and I went to investigate some pond water at the Don Edwards Wildlife Preserve, which was within driving distance. And here's what we found. Okay, so this is the Don Edwards Wildlife Preserve, and we're gonna collect some water from this random swamp. I think it should be a saltwater swamp, but we'll find out. Oh, look at this water! Like really gross looking colorful water. Very... I actually think this water is too clean. And let's hope that I don't sink in. But actually, I think if I just like take water from here, the next thing that we should do is we will look at the GPS coordinates for this place and then mark the tubes based on those. Okay, so we got our samples. They're GPS labeled now. We should look at them under the microscope. So we have two tubes of water. One is a little bit murkier and the other one is a little bit cleaner. I personally like murkier water. The water smells really bad, but that's promising. We're just gonna take this glass bottom dish, a dropper for... Okay, so I put like 4 droppers worth of water. I'm gonna put it on the microscope. Yeah, this sample has a lot of diatoms. Ooh, there's some fast moving thing. Whoa, that's a shrimp! Right? Is that a shrimp? A copepod? Is that a copepod? Oh no, where did it go? See, there's some agitation here. This is agitating way too hard for it to just be diatoms inside. Oh my god, what the hell is that? Okay, I'm gonna ditch... Wait, where's... That guy was huge, but it was also really fast. I didn't catch it. Oh darn it, but what was that? It's a love-hate relationship I have with this water because it's nice that there's like so much going on, but at the same time, like things happen fast. It's hard to... Now I'm interested in what this... Whoa! Now I'm interested in what this like less murky sample looks like. So I'm gonna try to get some of this debris. Okay, so there is visibly less gunk in this sample. Wow, there's a lot of fast swimmers in this sample compared to the other one, right? Like, look at those things go. Wow. This is just random pond water. Look at those things go. Wow. Should we go 10x? Isn't this just absolutely beautiful? I am just mesmerized watching this. Okay, I'm gonna just like sit somewhere. So while this is going, I'm curious how the same water will look under a Foldscope. I'm not gonna touch this setup. So we will keep on acquiring this video. Okay, so while that video is still acquiring, I'm curious what the same sample will look on a Foldscope. So I still have this dish. I'm gonna put it under a Foldscope, which is an origami inspired microscope that costs only like less than $2 to buy. There are many ways to prepare samples for Foldscope. The way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna take a glass slide and I'm gonna take one of these stickers that comes with the Foldscope. When you build the Foldscope, you only need one of these stickers, right? So you have 8 left. So I'm gonna use one of these. And I'm gonna use this sticker to make a well on my glass slide, right? So here's a glass slide. and I'm putting the sticker on. So now I essentially have like a raised surface there where I can put the sample inside. And for Foldscope, all you need is a drop. All you need is a drop of water. You see that? I literally just have a drop of water. And then I'm gonna cover this little well that I have with a cover slip. So now I have a Foldscope sample. And then I'm gonna put it inside my Foldscope. My Foldscope is a little bit broken here, but you can still use it. This is Foldscope, the sample is now inside. My phone, I've put like a little magnetic attachment that comes with the Foldscope on my phone. So now my phone will go straight on that Foldscope. All I need to do is go to my camera app. Now I'm gonna put up this video on the screen. You will no longer see me trying to carry the camera. Oh wow, so now under the Foldscope there's color. So keep in mind that like compared to a lot of water, we now only just have like one little drop of water. There's a swimming thing. But did you see how, I think that was a diatom. Yeah, so there's a diatom. Ooh, but something is swimming there. Oh look, there's a diatom. So those things that we saw, those round little cute things we saw, actually looks orange. Aren't they so cute? Wow, look at that. They're really fast. So maybe the strategy is to just sit at this one spot and watch them as they come by.